D dash dot 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 E F dot dot dash dot dot I.
Good evening, everyone. We want to claim our 1 million coin using the Morse code. So Morse code is a crypto program turning a code into an alphabet in crypto words. So if this is your first time watching my video, please follow me here on TikTok, and also you can also subscribe on my community. If you are really interested to join my Telegram, please click on my bio, click on the link to join my Telegram channel. So let's start. For those who are new, what you need to do is click on this MP tab 3 times to activate. So now, once you tap once, tap hold release, they give you this. So now, what we need to spell is D5. Let's claim our prize now. So now we claim our prize already. So for those who are really interested to join my Telegram, do not fail to click on my bio. There's a link there. Just click on it, join my Telegram channel. You get steady update from Hamster Kombat and the rest of them. Time Family, Blue, and the rest of them. So we can see offer you more updates here, and just get connected. Feel free to get the steady update. Do not fail to follow